So, Smitty,
Y'alls,
you know your ferns?
continue.
All of them, all your ferns are dead.
I think I need a hug.
What the f***? What am I doing here? Have you been crying?
No?
He's full of shit.
No. There is one. The tall, the bold, the strong, the strange. One fern among them was able to evade the wily clutches of death itself. He needs our help right now, and in this video, we're gonna rescue him, but today, one fern shall rise from the shadows and be revived. Reintroducing the elusive Shadow Mantis.
Oh my god, so f***ing dramatic.
Capricorns though, am I right?
Hey! That fern is looking
Bad. Still though, there's kind of a rugged beauty to him.
Yeah.
Lads and ladies, let's save this fern. The tools we are going to need for this job are pruning shears, clean, sharp, really nice scissors, really big spoons, some chopsticks, tweezers, regular potting mix, a nice long funnel, and second magical paintbrush.
Really? Wow. Nice.
First, we're going to use the pruning shears to remove all the bigger, sturdier dead branches, getting as close to the base of the plant as we safely can without damaging anything still living or agitating the root system. We gotta be so careful though, because Shadow Mantis's healthy branches are precious and we can't afford to lose even one. Next, we're going to use tweezers to pick all the rest of the dead fern bits from the base of our healing homeboy. Again though, we're going to be super careful not to f with anything important, because at this point, every leaf Shadow Mantis produces is a miracle. You know how it be. Sometimes when using a nice long funnel, you need a nice long stick. This is a really good one because it has a handle at the top of it. We got ours by yanking the knob off of a heater, but long sticks are pretty much everywhere. I don't know, close your eyes and f***ing point. Alrighty, now with the big spoon, potting mix, and the nice long funnel, we're gonna deposit a layer of fresh potting mix at Shadow Mantis's base. This will help to insulate his root system, retain water, provide some additional nutrients, and hopefully encourage the production of rhizomes. Rhizomes are the subterranean horizontally shooting roots that ferns and other plants send out in order to expand and or multiply.
Oh crap!
Jesus, be careful.
I'm sorry, it slipped. Oh my god.
Cool. Now that he's, all made over and on the road to recovery, let's talk care plans. When it comes to watering, I'm gonna be more diligent now, and I'll probably water him once every 2 to 3 days. He's in a pretty big container, so that should be plenty. Once the growing season arrives though, he'll probably be a little bit bigger, so at that point, I'll probably start watering him every day. Cause let's be real, he's got some catching up to do. As far as soil is concerned, this fresh layer of potting mix should hold him over just fine between now and when the growing season arrives in springtime. Once early summer hits though, we're definitely gonna repot homeboy to freshen him up, down under.
Oh my god.
Smitty, please.
For sunlight, we're definitely going to keep him out of any direct sun, especially for now while he's recovering. But we're going to make sure that Shadow Mantis here gets as much indirect sunlight as he can, because he's got a lot of photosynthesizing to do. Because as beautiful as he is,
Yeah.
let's be real, he's just a shadow of his former self. Real quick, be on the lookout, because any day now, we'll be posting a short vertically filmed video in which we make our beloved Shadow Mantis his very own skillfully crafted, intelligently designed polymer clay bead adorned macrame. He deserves it because unlike all of his friends, the elusive Shadow Mantis was able to evade the icy clutches of death. All his ferns though died of old age.
Yeah.
During the 2-year period in which I only watered them sporadically. A couple of them died of old age because I forgot to bring them inside and then winter arrived. You know, ferns, they're not frost tolerant.
Not that.
What, you learned that the hard way, Smitty?
And yeah, they are gone. May they rest in peace. But what can you do? I'm Smitty K. I kinda got a lot going on right now. And I got real bad ADHD.
You think?
What the f***? What are you doing?
Fortnite just finished updating and I gotta get the Jack Skelly skin.
Jack Skilly, no way! Yo, give me some V-Bucks. I'll be such a good boy.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Anyway, listen. Do you like bad graffiti, worse jokes, wacky macrame, and pretty good advice about how to take care of your houseplants? Then f***ing subscribe!
Subscribe.
Turn on channel notifications
Thanks,
too.
Yabonton-Shark. That's right. Turn on channel notifications too so you never miss a new video. Smitty and Sky out!
Oh crap!
Jesus, be careful.
I'm sorry, it slipped.
Hey guys, hello?